हेलो एवरीवन, ये है हमारे कलर्स। ग्रीन कलर, लाइट ग्रीन कलर, येलो कलर, रेड कलर, ब्राउन कलर, ब्लैक कलर। A N T, ant means cheethy. A-N-T, ant means cheethy. B A L, ball means gand. C O W, cow means guy. W means COW, cow means guy. D O L, doll means gudiya. DOLL, doll means gudiya. E A R, ear means कान. EAR, ear means कान. F A N, fan means पंखा. FAN, fan means पंखा. G O A T, goat means bakri. GOAT, goat means bakri. H A T E, hat means topi. I N K, ink means स्याही. INK, ink means स्याही. J U G, jug means jug. JUG, jug means jug. K I N G, king means raja. KING, king means raja. L I O N, lion means शेर. Lion, lion, lion means शेर. Goat, goat, goat means बकरी. Hat, hat means टोपी. Ink, ink means स्याही. Jug, jug, jug means jug. King, king means राजा. Lion, lion, lion means शेर.